Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix your suspended account in Ubisoft. So first, in your browser, click on that burger button, or in your Google Chrome, just click on the three buttons on the upper right side of your browser, and then go and find the edit to full browser settings. Then you'll be directed to your settings. Now go and click privacy and security. And what we need to do here is actually delete our third-party cookies involving the Ubisoft. So go ahead and click on the third-party cookies and then click on the see all sites data and permissions. And then in here, just find the Ubisoft cookies. If you can't find it, just go search in the search bar. And then just go ahead and click the trash button to delete it. This will delete all the data, so it will allow you to sign in again on your Ubisoft Connect. And that's it. Hope this helps.